Okay, here's just a small little demonstration of what I'm experiencing with Fody currently. See in the project file, currently linked to version 6.6.3, got the IncludeAssets line included in the project file. I got the proper library here. Let me load up DS4Windows. Got checkers, see, you got X input ready to go. It's gonna be hard to tell with this, but yeah. It doesn't seem bad, but definitely compared to the older versions, yeah, it definitely feels slower and stiffer than before. Alright, that's enough of that. Close out DS4Windows. And just for demonstration purpose here, I'll just go and strip that line here for now. I already got a compiled version of the library with that taken off. So I just pause this recording and I'll get that loaded up real quick. Alright, got the new library loaded up, recompiled DS4Windows. Let me go and pull it back up. Pull up the X input checker. See, X input is working. It's very hard to tell with this test, especially holding like this, but definitely that feels more snappy to me than with the other version of the Fody library with the IncludeAssets tag in the project file. I don't think there's really much to show off other than that.